Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send scheduled messages on WhatsApp. So actually it is very easy. First of all, if you go to the WhatsApp, choose the random chat, you will see that WhatsApp currently does not have the feature to send scheduled messages, so we will use a little trick to do that. So close the WhatsApp and find the Shortcuts application on your iPhone. Here it is downloaded on any iPhone automatically. So here, first of all, we need to go to the library, All Shortcuts library, and click on the plus sign in the top right corner to basically create a new shortcut. Shortcut basically is a command that will send the message on the WhatsApp to a person. So basically find here the WhatsApp in this list of applications. Usually it is in the bottom, so click on the WhatsApp right here, and we will have here some options that this shortcut can do. Here we need to choose the fourth option here, send message, because we want to send a message. Click on the send message, and here basically we need to customize it. Choose the message and choose the recipients. So first of all, click on the message and type the message that you want to send. So for example, hello, just hello. And of course now you need to choose a recipient. So click on the recipients and click on the plus sign in the top right corner, and you can choose the recipients from your contacts list. You can choose as many as you want. I will go with the only one person here, and when you already click on the tick sign in the top right corner. So we created a shortcut. Now we can go back, and as you can see, this shortcut appeared here in the list. It means it's successfully created. But now we will need to create the automation to send this shortcut, to start this shortcut at the specific time. So go to the automation here in the bottom side of the screen and choose new automation. So now here in the personal automation menu, we need to choose time of day. And now we need to set the time of day when we want to start this automation to send the message. So basically I will choose like 3 minutes, just in 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes this message will be sent, just for the tutorial. Now I can just simply scroll down. I can repeat these automations weekly, monthly, daily. I will go with the daily. And the most important thing here is you need to choose run immediately in the bottom, because if you want, it will ask you for the confirmation when the time is 7:03. So you will need to confirm this automation in order it to be started. Otherwise, it won't just send the message. So when you set everything here, you need to click on the next in the top right corner and choose the shortcut that we created. So go to the My Shortcuts if you don't see it here, and choose the shortcut that we created, send message right here. And as you can see, shortcuts tells us that one automation is enabled on your iPhone, and we can see it here at 7:03 p.m. daily send message. So now we will just need to 7:03 p.m. and check if everything is fine or not. So here I am, it is 7:03, and I go back to the WhatsApp, and as I see, the hello message appears at 7:03, and as you can see, here it is, sent basically at the time. And basically that is it. That is how you can send scheduled messages on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.